Since 1985, Clare's Auto Repairs and Service has been a trusted source for superior automotive care and service. Clare and his team of trained technicians operate on one principle. They'll treat your car like it's their own. That means you'll never have to worry about the quality of service or care. In the fully equipped state-of-the-art service center, you can have any mechanical service performed on any make and model of car or light truck. At Clare's Auto Repairs and Service, they will do what it takes to make you happy. Call or stop in today.